change exercise. In this exercise, we're going to incorporate ball changes, flick kicks, and a switch turn. A ball change is transferring the weight on and off the ball of the foot. Now the ball of the foot, in case you don't know, is this part of the foot right here, so where you would go up on a demi-point position. Okay, so to ball change, we're going to go up, down, step down. We're changing the weight from one part of the foot back to the other foot. So simply a ball change to the side would go out, in. A ball change to the front would go forward, back. A ball change to the back would go back, front. Okay? So there we have our ball changes. It's transferring the weight from one foot back to the other. Then we add in a flick kick. Now we have worked on flick kicks in a previous course. That's going back to our jazz technique course. Okay? Now a flick kick, we're going to soften the knees. Bring the toe up to the knee. We're going to flick without extending too much into this leg. You don't want to extend it so much that you're putting pressure on that knee joint. You flick out, and it's more about the in motion, not the out motion. So we're going to go in, 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 in. Okay, so a flick, we go flick and down. Now we add a ball change into that to make it a flick ball change. So we go flick, back, front, flick, back, front. Now remember, soften those knees. If you try it nice and straight, it's not going to work. So we have a ball change, whichever way you're going to do that, and we have a flick ball change. Flick, ball change. Flick, ball change. Flick, ball change. The next step we're going to learn is called a switch turn. Now a switch turn, you're going to step forward on your right leg. So we go step. Now this is going into a slight lunge. So we go down. You want your weight placed in the middle, not too far in the front, not too far on the back, okay? The back foot is on a demi-point, so the heel's released off the floor. So we're stepping forwards, down. We're going to pivot on the balls of the feet and switch. We're going to go this way, okay? So you're stepping forwards on your right foot, take this arm out to the side, hug yourself. That's the direction you're going. We're going to go this way, pivoting on the balls of the feet. So we switch the direction. Switch. Hence the reason it's called a switch turn. Okay? Now again, we're going to step forwards from the back foot. Onto two bent knees. Switch. We're going this way. We're still carrying the circle the way that we just went. We step forward, pivoting on the balls of the feet. Okay? So that is step, pivot, step, pivot. Okay? So we have a ball change, a flick ball change, and a switch turn. Okay, let's put those together and let's make a combination out of them. So we're going to take our right foot and we're going to ball change forwards and back. So we go forward, back, bring the feet together, change onto the left foot. We go back, forwards, bring the feet together. So that's this one. Forward, back, together, back, front, together. Try that again. Forward, back, together, back, front, together. Now we're going to take a ball change to the side. So we take this leg out and we go side in, together, side in, together. So we've got a forward, a back, a side, and a side. Okay? So we go forward, back, together, back, forward, together, side, together, out, in, together. And again. Forward, together, back, together, side, together, side, together. We're going to take a flick kick and then a ball change. So we're going to go flick, ball change, repeat, flick, ball change. This is where your switch turn comes in, stepping forwards on that right leg. Forward, switch, forward, switch. Okay? So that's part A. Think of that section as section A. Okay? So, section A starts going forwards and back. Here we go. Forward, back, middle, back, forward, middle, side, middle, side, middle, flick, ball section A. Now we're going to repeat section A, but we're going to switch it to a section B because it's going to be slightly different. This time we're going to start going to the side. So we go side, middle, forward, middle, back, middle. So we've switched it slightly. Flick kicks, flick, ball change, flick, ball change. Now this is where it's different. We're going to take a step, ball change to the side. Now this is our travelling step, okay? We go step, ball change, together. Just going to move back over here so I end up in the middle. So we take our right foot and we go step, ball change. So we go right, left, right. And it's got a galloping feel. So if we were going to gallop to the side, we'd just keep going. Okay? It's got a galloping feel, but we're keeping it nice and low. So it goes step, together, step, bring the feet together. Now to add a bit of a jazz feel to it, we're going to use the hip. Okay? We're going to take the arms out to the side like this. We're going to twist just the shoulders. Okay? It's quite a hard movement. You can practice that. We just sit on the floor for a second. Put your hands on your shoulders. Okay? You can sit like this, you can sit cross-legged, however you feel more comfortable. Put your hands on your shoulders, keep your hips exactly where they are, and just twist the top part of your spine. And twist. And you have to try not to let that arm move. You keep that breadth across the shoulders there. So we go twist, middle, twist. Okay? And the arms are going to be here and here. Again, giving it a jazz feel. We're going to lead with this shoulder. So we go lead and lead. So that step to the side, step will change. We go arms going to the side. So keeping here and you're twisting the top part of the body. You're going to lead with your hips on a demi-plie and you're going to go step, together, step. That's your step, ball change. We go step, ball change. Okay? From there, bring the feet together and we repeat the whole thing on the left. So now we repeat the whole thing on the left. So let's try section A, okay? And let's add some arms in while we go. So we're going to start with the feet together, arms out to the side, pull the shoulder blades down, okay? Now let the elbows drop. So we've just got them, nice bit of breath here between the arms. We're going to go forward, back. We have opposite arm to leg, middle, back, forward. Again, this same arm is going to go forwards because it's opposite arm to leg. So we go da 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 da. So you can think of it as switch here, okay? So we've got a 1, 2, a 3, 4. Now we're going to step to the side and we're just going to bring the hand across, middle, across, middle. All of this on a nice demi-plie. So we've got breath and we go forwards, back and across. We go opposite arm to leg for the flick. Flick, ball change, flick, ball change. Now we do our switch turn again, opposite arm to leg, and we're just going to have the fists clenched and we're going to have this arm in front in this shape and the same at the back, it's going to be behind you here. So we've got switch and then we switch it as we turn. There, so again we've got opposite arm to leg, switch again. So the arms keep switching, opposite arm to leg. Nice strong arms will help you with the dynamics of this, okay? Left side again, we go forwards, back and side, and flick, ball change, flick, ball change, and we switch. Now we go to the side, we're on section B, so we go side, forwards, backwards, 2 more flicks, flick, we go to the side, step, ball change, together.